Hello everyone. Welcome to a video tutorial on the online single submission system. This guide will help you understand the steps for applying business licensing through the OSS system at oss.go.id. The Online Single Submission or OSS is an integrated electronic business licensing system developed to simplify the process of obtaining business licenses and a business identification number or NIB. First, visit the official OSS website at www.oss.go.id. Make sure you already have an account in the OSS system. If you do not yet have an account, please register first so that you can proceed with the business licensing process. After your account has been successfully created, return to the OSS homepage and click the button, Masuk. Enter your username and password, then click Masuk to log in the system. After successfully logging into the system, please select menu of Parazinin Berusaha, choose Kelola Usaha, and then choose Lokasi Usaha. The system will display a list of previously managed business locations. To add a new location, select Tamba Lokasi, then click Tamba Posisi Lokasi. Make sure Jenis Matra Posisi is correct according to your business conditions. If the business sector coordinate type is on the land, choose Jenis Matra Posisi, Darat. Complete form Penambahan Posisi Lokasi Usaha Darat by upload Polygon Posisi Lokasi and Luas Lahan. The land area will be automatically filled in after the polygon is uploaded. Then, complete the Alamat Lengkup, including province, city or regency, district, subdistrict, and postal code. Next, complete the questions regarding whether the business location is situated in a special area designated by the government and whether the business activities are located on small islands, in accordance with the actual conditions. Once all data has been filled in, select Simpan Posisi Lokasi. If the business sector coordinate type is on the woodland, choose Jenis Matra Posisi, Hutan. Complete form Penambahan Posisi Lokasi Usaha Darat by upload Polygon Posisi Lokasi and Luas Lahan. The land area will be automatically filled in after the polygon is uploaded. Then, complete the Alamat Lengkup, including province, city or regency, district, subdistrict, and postal code. Once all data has been filled in, select Simpan Posisi Lokasi. If the business sector coordinate type is on the marine, choose Jenis Matra Posisi, Laut. Complete form Penambahan Posisi Lokasi Usaha Darat by upload Polygon Posisi Lokasi and Luas Lahan. The land area will be automatically filled in after the polygon is uploaded. Then, complete the Alamat Lengkup, including province, city or regency, district, subdistrict, and postal code. Once all data has been filled in, select Simpan Posisi Lokasi. After the business provider saves the business location, the system will display the added business location. Check the available business location, then select Lengkapi Detail Kegiatan to continue the business licensing application process. To apply for a business activity, please select the menu of Parazinin Berusaha, then choose Kelola Usaha and select Kegiatan Usaha. Then the system will display the data Kegiatan Usaha or business activity data. Select Tamba Kegiatan Usaha, then choose Lanjutkan Parazinin if the business provider has already created a business activity and wishes to continue the business licensing process. If the business provider has already created a business activity and wants to continue the licensing application, select Lanjutkan Parazinin. If the business provider already has an active or issued business activity, select Detail Parazinin to view and track the status of the business license. Next, complete Lokasi Business Usaha or the business location data. Select the correct and appropriate business location. Complete the questions regarding whether the business location is situated within a National Vital Object Area, a National Strategic Project Area, or a PSN area. Once completed, select Selanjutnya. At the next stage, complete the Jenis Kegiatan Usaha and Bidang Usaha by selecting the business activity type, business sector, and scope of activities. Then, the system will automatically display the business sector provisions according to the selected business sector. To continue, select Tamba Bidang Usaha. The system will automatically add the selected business sector list submitted by the business provider. Complete Nama Usaha or the business name correctly and appropriately. Next, answer the question regarding land ownership status, whether the business actor has obtained control over the land through a lease agreement, borrowing agreement, sale and purchase agreement, or privately owned land. If the business provider has not yet obtained control over the land, select Selanjutnya to continue the process. If the business provider has obtained ownership of privately owned land, complete the proof of land ownership in the form of HGU, HGB, certificate, or other supporting documents. If the business provider controls leased land or borrowed land, complete the proof of land ownership in accordance with the applicable provisions, which may include HGU, HGB, certificates, or other supporting documents. In the event that the business location has already been controlled by another business provider and is leased or lent for the same type of business activity, the business provider is required to complete supporting documents for verification by the OSS institution. Next, please complete data bangunan or the building data by uploading the technical building plan or the area master plan and answer the question regarding whether the business activity requires a new building, in accordance with the actual conditions. If a new building is not required, select Process to continue. However, if the business provider requires a new building with privately owned building status, please complete the following data including the planned number of buildings, the planned number of building floors, and the planned total building floor area. Next, check status Persiaratan Dasar Tata Ruang or the spatial planning basic requirements periodically. Once the KKPR has been issued, select the Perizinan Berusaha tab to continue the process. In the Business Licensing Documents section, select Lanjut to proceed to the next stage. In the business licensing process, please complete the following information of data usaha. Then review the Informasi Bidang Usaha. Next, complete the basic information of data usaha or business data. Answer the question regarding whether the business activity is already operational. Then, fill in the estimated start date for operational and/or commercial activities according to your business plan. Complete data investasi or investation data by filling in land purchase and land development, domestic machinery, equipment costs, imported machinery, equipment costs, other investment costs, and total fixed capital will be automatically calculated. Next, complete the 3-month working capital costs. Select the appropriate source of funding, and the total investment value will be automatically calculated. Next, complete data tenaga kerja or the manpower data by filling in Indonesian workers, foreign workers, and workers with disabilities. The total number of Indonesian workers, foreign workers, workers with disabilities, and Indonesian workers with disabilities will be automatically calculated. Next, complete data product, jasa or the product, service data by selecting Tamba product, jasa. Then, complete form Tamba product, jasa or add product, service form correctly, and then select Simpan to continue. Review the business data, investment data, manpower data, and product, service data, then select Selanjutnya. Next, complete the Validasi Risiko, and the system will automatically display the business risk results. Then, fill in the parameter usaha and select Selanjutnya. Next, complete Perizinan Lingkungan or environmental licensing. Answer the question regarding whether the business activity already has environmental approval. If not, select Process to continue. Next, select Ya, Lanjut to forward the application to the reviewer for verification. Regularly check the status of the environmental basic requirements or Persiaratan Dasar Lingkungan. Conduct the environmental screening process through AmbilNet. Once Persetuan Lingkungan or the environmental approval has been issued, select the Perizinan Berusaha tab to continue the process. In the Business Licensing Documents section, select Continue. Next, the system will display a draft of the business license or business identification number or NIB. Please review the displayed licensing draft. If all data is correct, select Terbitkan to continue. After that, the business identification number will be issued. The business actor can view, download, and print the issued business licensing document. And this is an example of a printed business license. For further information regarding risk-based business licensing through OSS, please use the following QR code which contains contact information for DPM PTSP throughout Indonesia.